The African savanna is a tapestry of life, a vast expanse painted with the hues of the earth and sky. Amidst this breathtaking landscape roams a creature as iconic as the lion or the elephant, the zebra. Instantly recognizable with its bold black and white stripes, the zebra is a symbol of the wild, its image conjuring up visions of untamed freedom and the raw beauty of the natural world. But there's more to these striped equids than meets the eye. Their story is one of remarkable adaptation, intricate social bonds, and an enduring struggle for survival. Zebras are more than just a pretty face on the savanna. They are vital components of their ecosystem, their grazing habits shaping the landscape and their presence supporting a delicate balance of life. To understand the zebra is to understand the intricate web of relationships that bind together all creatures, great and small, in this land of breathtaking beauty and constant change. Their stripes, a source of endless fascination, are not just a fashion statement. They are a testament to the power of natural selection, honed over millennia to provide a survival edge in a world of feast or famine, predator and prey. This journey will take us deep into the world of the zebra, unraveling the mysteries behind their stripes, exploring their diverse species and habitats, and understanding the challenges they face in a world increasingly dominated by human activity. From the thundering hooves of a zebra herd on the move to the tender moments between a mother and her foal, we'll witness the drama and wonder of zebra life unfold. Join me as we embark on this captivating exploration of one of Africa's most enduring symbols. The sun rises over the African savanna, painting the sky in hues of orange and gold. The air is alive with the sounds of the awakening bush, a symphony of bird calls and rustling leaves. As the first rays of sunlight bathe the grasslands, a family of plains zebras emerges from the receding darkness. Their stripes a stark contrast against the golden grass. Leading the group is the stallion, a powerful animal with a thick neck and a commanding presence. His stripes are bold and well-defined, a testament to his age and strength. He keeps a watchful eye on his surroundings, his ears pricked for any sign of danger. Following closely behind him are his mares, each one adorned with her own unique pattern of stripes as individual as fingerprints. The foals, born with reddish-brown stripes that will darken with age, frolic playfully around their mothers. Their energy is infectious, their high-pitched whinnies filling the air as they chase each other through the tall grass. Their games are more than just amusement. They are essential for developing the agility and coordination they will need to outrun predators in the future. Life on the savanna is a constant negotiation between survival and sustenance. Zebras are grazers, spending a significant portion of their day consuming vast quantities of grass. As they move across the plains, their hooves act as natural lawnmowers, keeping the grasslands healthy and preventing the encroachment of trees and shrubs. This family group, bound by blood and the instinct to survive, is a microcosm of zebra society. Their interactions, a tapestry of subtle cues and vocalizations, reveal a complex social structure governed by hierarchy, cooperation, and a deep-seated understanding of the dangers and opportunities that surround them. The zebra's stripes are arguably one of the animal kingdom's most striking and debated features. They are a source of endless fascination, sparking countless theories and hypotheses among scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Why would an animal evolve such a bold and seemingly conspicuous pattern in a world where blending in can often mean the difference between life and death? The truth is, there is no single universally accepted answer to the question of why zebras have stripes. Several theories, each with its own merits, have been proposed over the years, and it's likely that the true explanation lies in a combination of factors. One prominent theory suggests that stripes act as a form of camouflage, particularly when zebras are on the move or gathered in large herds. The constantly shifting pattern of vertical stripes can create a confusing optical illusion for predators, making it difficult to single out an individual zebra from the mass. This confusion effect is amplified in the dappled light and long shadows of the African savanna. Another compelling theory proposes that stripes serve a thermoregulatory function, helping zebras stay cool under the scorching African sun. Black stripes absorb heat, while white stripes reflect it, creating convection currents that help regulate body temperature. This theory is supported by observations that zebras tend to have more stripes in hotter climates. Life on the African savanna is a constant race for survival, a delicate dance between predator and prey. To thrive in this challenging environment, zebras have evolved an impressive suite of physical adaptations that allow them to outrun danger and endure the harsh realities of their surroundings. Their bodies are testaments to the power of natural selection, honed over millennia to meet the demands of speed, endurance, and vigilance. Zebras are built for speed, their long, slender legs carrying them across the plains with impressive agility. Their muscular bodies are capable of reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour in short bursts, allowing them to outpace even the fastest of predators over short distances. But speed is only part of the equation. To truly escape danger, zebras need endurance. Their large lungs and efficient circulatory systems allow them to maintain a fast pace for extended periods, covering vast distances in their search for food and water. This stamina is crucial during seasonal migrations, when zebras may travel hundreds of miles in search of fresh grazing lands. Their hooves, hard and durable, provide excellent traction on a variety of terrains, from the open grasslands to rocky outcrops and riverbeds. These hooves are also formidable weapons, capable of delivering powerful kicks that can deter predators or settle disputes within the herd. The African continent, with its diverse landscapes and climates, provides a home to 3 distinct species of zebra, each adapted to thrive in its own unique ecological niche. While all zebras share certain characteristics, their habitats, behaviors, and even their stripes reflect the evolutionary pressures they've faced over millennia. The plains zebra, as its name suggests, is most commonly found in the vast open grasslands and savannas of eastern and southern Africa. These are the iconic zebras of wildlife documentaries, often seen in large herds, grazing peacefully alongside wildebeest, gazelles, and other herbivores. Their stripes, bold and vertical, blend seamlessly into the tall grasses and dappled light of their surroundings. Venturing south into the rugged mountain ranges of South Africa and Namibia, we encounter the aptly named mountain zebra. Smaller and stockier than their plains-dwelling cousins, mountain zebras have adapted to a life of navigating steep slopes and rocky terrain. Their hooves are harder, providing better grip on uneven surfaces, and their stripes, while still bold, are often broken up by areas of shadow, providing camouflage in their rocky habitat. Further north, in the arid regions of Kenya and Ethiopia, roams the Grevy's zebra, the largest and most endangered of the 3 species. With its narrow stripes, large rounded ears, and distinctive grizzled appearance, the Grevy's zebra is a true desert dweller, capable of surviving for days without water. Zebras are highly social animals, their lives intricately interwoven with the dynamics of the herd. Within these groups, a complex language of stripes, sounds, and gestures dictates social standing, strengthens bonds, and ensures the survival of the group. To the untrained eye, a zebra herd might appear as a chaotic mass of stripes. But beneath the surface lies a highly structured society governed by a sophisticated system of communication. Plains zebras, the most social of the zebra species, live in family groups called harems, typically consisting of a dominant stallion, several mares, and their offspring. The stallion is the undisputed leader of the harem, responsible for protecting his females and foals from predators and rival males. He maintains his dominance through a combination of displays of strength, such as biting, kicking, and chasing, and by vocalizing loudly to assert his authority. Mares within a harem form strong bonds with each other, often engaging in mutual grooming and sharing the responsibility of raising their foals. These females play a crucial role in maintaining the social cohesion of the harem, mediating disputes and reinforcing the stallion's dominance. Communication within a zebra herd extends beyond the stallion's pronouncements. Zebras have a rich repertoire of vocalizations, from high-pitched whinnies and barks to deep-throated snorts and growls. Each sound conveys a specific message, whether it's a warning of danger, a sign of contentment, or a playful invitation to interact. The African savanna, a seemingly endless expanse of grasslands and scattered trees, is a challenging environment for herbivores. Food and water can be scarce, particularly during the dry season, and the constant threat of predation adds another layer of complexity to the daily struggle for survival. Yet zebras have evolved to thrive in this demanding landscape, their bodies and behaviors perfectly adapted to the grazer's life. Zebras are highly selective grazers, their diet consisting primarily of grasses which they consume in vast quantities. Their sharp incisors are perfectly designed for clipping off blades of grass, while their powerful molars grind the tough plant material into a digestible pulp. They are constantly on the move, their hooves acting as natural lawnmowers, keeping the grasslands healthy and preventing the encroachment of trees and shrubs. Their digestive systems, adapted to break down the cellulose in grass, are less efficient than those of ruminants like cows and antelope. As a result, zebras must spend a significant portion of their day grazing, often up to 16 hours, to extract enough nutrients from their food. This constant need for sustenance drives their movements across the savanna, shaping their social interactions and influencing their vulnerability to predators. While grass forms the bulk of their diet, zebras will also opportunistically consume herbs, leaves, and even bark when available. These supplemental foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that may be lacking in their primary diet. Their constant search for food and water leads them on long seasonal migrations, following the rains and the promise of fresh grazing lands. The African savanna is a delicate ecosystem. Its web of life, intricately woven together through a complex interplay of predator and prey, herbivore and vegetation. Zebras, far from being merely picturesque inhabitants of this landscape, play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their environment. They are in many ways the unsung guardians of the grasslands, their presence shaping the very landscape they call home. As large herbivores, zebras exert a significant influence on the vegetation structure of the savanna. Their grazing habits, often in concert with other herbivores like wildebeest and gazelles, prevent the dominance of any single plant species, promoting a diversity of grasses and herbs. This in turn supports a wider range of insects, birds, and other small animals that rely on specific plant species for food and shelter. Their hooves, as they pound the earth during their daily migrations, play a vital role in soil aeration and seed dispersal. The churning action of their hooves creates pockets of loose soil, allowing rainwater to penetrate more easily and promoting the germination of seeds. Seeds, often clinging to their fur or embedded in their hooves, are transported over considerable distances, contributing to the genetic diversity and resilience of plant populations. Zebras are also an essential link in the savanna's food chain. As prey animals, they provide sustenance for apex predators like lions, leopards, and hyenas, supporting the delicate balance of predator-prey relationships that regulates the entire ecosystem. The African savanna, once a seemingly limitless expanse of wilderness, is facing unprecedented challenges in the 21st century. Human populations are expanding, encroaching on wildlife habitats with relentless pressure. Climate change is altering weather patterns, leading to more frequent and severe droughts that threaten the delicate balance of the ecosystem. In the face of these mounting pressures, the future of zebras, like many other African wildlife species, hangs in the balance. Fortunately, there is hope. Conservation organizations, governments, and local communities are working together to protect zebras and their habitats, recognizing the vital role these striped equids play in the health of the savanna ecosystem. Establishing and maintaining protected areas such as national parks and wildlife reserves is crucial for safeguarding zebra populations and their habitats. These areas provide safe havens from poaching, habitat loss, and other threats, allowing zebra populations to recover and thrive. Addressing human-wildlife conflict is another crucial aspect of zebra conservation. As human populations expand and agricultural activities encroach on zebra habitats, conflicts over land and resources are inevitable. The fight to secure the future of zebras is a race against time, a complex and multifaceted challenge that demands innovative solutions and unwavering commitment.